Nice thing about this video is it's going to be really quick because it's only stuff that I bought today. Alright. Might as well show these. I got 8 of these, not joking. 8, look, it was on sale, so they were clearing them out, so I bought 8 of them. Not even joking. Put him here for now. Bought 2 of these. They're like 20 bucks. I mean, so I bought like about 10 of them, 20 a piece. How do you go wrong? We went over this before. This is the 3rd set. I knew I had a bigger set. This I didn't buy today. This I bought, I think, in August. I know. May or June was the first one. I think it was May the first one, July the second one, and then these one I bought in August. But this was in my car, so. And then they were clearing these out too. These hockey ones. They had them for like $14. Usually sell them for like $25. So they're starting to get rid of stuff. Two more chromes. Chromes are so sweet. What is this? Oh, I didn't buy these today. I bought these at a card show on Sunday. Joe Burrow Aqua variation. Joe Burrow Gold variation. Joe Burrow, it's either pink or purple. One of those sign things. They're those framed cards. I can't think of what they're called. I don't know. I can't see it. It's right there. Oh, it says quarterback. Jesus. How could I read it better off of that than here? Alright, another 2 variations, silver variation, and then pink or fuchsia variation or purple variation. I've been eyeing this for a long time now. He's had this for months, and I kept saying, how does no one buy that? It's just a sweet card. I thought it was sweet. All right. So that's that. Canvas. And a whole bunch of Washington Nationals Championship, Patriots Championship, Patriots Championship. They're clearing these out for like $3, $4, $5 a movie. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's when those guys are trapped down in the mine. Yeah. Jesse James versus the Black Train. Okay. D-Day Survivors. The Frozen Front. A lot of war movies. Ambushed, another war movie. And Panzer, another war movie. So Warren Sports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 war movies, 2 action dramas, and 3 sports. Blu-rays and regular discs, all different ones. So. That's it. Told you it was going to be a short one. Bring them up there. Make it better. All right. That's good. Finally go to bed. Ooh, nice and short. Less than 6-minute video.